The ICFA University Meghalaya admission open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.
With Tirat Singh's aim, a prominent chief of the Khasi people in the early 19th century, hailed from the Saemle clan. As the Saem or chief of Himanongklau in the Khasi Hills, he held a constitutional position, sharing authority with his council, which represented the leading clans in his territory. Tirat Singh famously declared war against the British in response to their attempts to seize control of the Khasi Hills. On his 189th death anniversary on the 17th of July 2024, various pressure groups, organizations and political party members, including those from the NPP and the Saemle clan, paid homage by laying floral tributes at his life-size statue at the State Central Library premises and at the Yorangheb grounds in Shillong.
Taginong na ka HNN pagkagunuan ka jompi. Samla Pensyai Rani.
I'm extremely happy that the Saemle discovered the last days of Tirat Singh. It could have been anybody else, but it gives me great pride representing the clan Banale Tukakam Apokishnam many years ago. Earlier this year in February, I attended a function in Dhaka where a bust of Tirat Singh was opened, and it gave me great joy representing the clan there as also the people of Meghalaya. I want to make a few comments on today's function. If you look at the wording, not so much the monument or the statue, but the monument, it really needs repair, and it needs a re-lettering. The lead has come out of the plaque, and I urge the government and the Saemle to take steps that it will be a more beautiful place, because this really needed attention before the visit of many functionaries today. Kublai.
Kichispa prop kanaisnam kilarem ringa kwa bang ong tigum kisamla kata kamsiam jele bat kamsiam danadi jom Tirat Singh kakam sarang haduk taksi kinogren ki bahasa kamat kila pensau baga jom ka benta ya ka history bat ka jiya tanti jom payem Tirat Singh raya kum kene ke singi ngano kwa aban sim siboni bapor ringa kwa abang ken ka basai champi wai pe Pat kam tam cik pado pasnam bu jing keli ya ka jing pasam le kata ka jing yeki kabaya hagi singi walas dam ngadu hundam tarik baki siu kasdam ban khandra yeki mendear bam sulanan kot pensla batai wakta pat pandromian spok kecak putri kocogi yubun keli balai pilakwa pan yaum snam yubun keli balai bagi siu kalau menkumni belum anti ya kita kinon tribal dengan sobanong akum kini kesini kaseng kaya kersiutia ya kesorka jala bak sekarang dia bagadiban cuma kakabasay ya ki itu gimat bakum kaseng kacukran na kapuas kampelai keno kakuno galanti kampelai kenokti kampelai ki parap ni galanti henrai kemau tang bawai idang tam cisian kacingem bak kata kacingem kini pantik kena pengen lehe yang ta kari bak kecap le urukoi
ta kamot kebuang supaya pareng ban penbena ba kung gajai beriu ripat dan ni kung gajai beriu hani kadong thai jong selapa thai limdei ban syale tombol oi kajing tombol ba kajing syak tombol kung gajai beriu kaya jia na kapor kaya jia na du mengiyo kajing lailoi kaya jia adu kini sini mentah na wan haru hangne ngai ya kani kabong bakai LP MRSSI kita eksemen haru kini sini pemerintah kata ka jing eksemen kebut kahap ke jing eksemen jong sarkar India bak sarkar Meghalaya henry jin badai beriu ba ring musim kajai beriu kan jin dalayak nama ke jing sumar empat ai la suai tang jing eksemen haru kini senam ke pemerintah nadu arjal khalai nadu arjal khandai tang ke eksemen ya kini asli isu kimak kijura keba kibabun kisah balan ban kejai beriu hi kadawa badon kam ban pentreno agani ka jeng kari jogi kawai ka bang ihap ban sungsu ya ka jing khalau jong ni kesni khlap jong paim terop sing siu kadai kata ka ba nila awalong ka jingsang jong ka khasi nationalism ngani kata ka jingsang jong kata ka minsim iri aga jai beriu jumi te kanuksa ka ba kalong ni habana jingero ke siu bomban sunam gala ban pelong ya gani ke jingkenau ya gani ka seni kung kata ga khasi nationalism but kajing penuan bu senti jing le dan guram ka bomban sunam kalong gai ke belum kam ban penkenau ini ba ni dei benang ban i ya la ka jonggari ni dei benang ni ya la pudusa ni dei benang ban i ya la ka jong kajai beriu kata kadai kejumut jong nationalism hari ini disini dia ka benang tulung ke por ngasih kenal hak senam ki ba khamun chwa ka seng chom ni af kong ba nim shania ya ni ke sensyar bun lama kalama bun rong ka ba sensyar hak jala juni ka ora ke ji pat ya pra jong jek beriu ba kanang tulung disini dia kata kanang sakhi ya kata kecik sensyar politik kecik sensyar lama benrong kaparia kapelong ini di produk prasenam bani kedok kuti para mengi hajaka bengin kedo ya taki bol kiba le bol tombol ini